Hello all. I wanted to talk to you all about becoming an educational diagnostician. And I want to let you know that they may also go under different names depending on what state you live in. They may also be referred to as an interventionist or educational specialist. But an educational diagnostician is an individual who performs various tests with students in order to qualify them for special education services in schools. They may perform cognitive and achievement IQ tests such as the Woodcock-Johnson in the WISC. These tests usually take a few hours to administer and test various aspects of learning, including reading, writing, and mathematics. Educational diagnosticians are certified special education teachers that go on to receive a master's degree in special education, which also includes a practicum experience. Educational diagnosticians must have at least 3 years of classroom teaching experience in order to qualify for admissions into a program. Salaries for educational diagnostician may range from $45,000 to $65 plus $1,000 depending on whether you work for a school district, or a school cooperative. Educational diagnosticians will typically collaborate with school psychologists, counselors, parents, teachers, and administration to help qualify students for special education services. If you are interested in more information about becoming an educational diagnostician, I will put links in the description. I hope you all enjoyed this quick video, and I will be back soon with more videos. Thank you.